Welcome to the fifth lesson in this CSEC mathematics series for the topic of measurement. In today's lesson, we'll learn about sectors and how to calculate its area and perimeter. An arc represents a segment of the edge of a circle. The size of an arc is determined by its central angle, which will be defined later. There are two types of arcs, minor arcs and major arcs. The green section is a minor arc, and the rest of the blue section is a major arc. The minor arc is always going to be smaller than the major arc. You can think of a sector as a slice of pizza. In mathematics, it is the area enclosed by two radii and the connecting arc. To determine the area or arc length of a sector, we need to know its central angle. The central angle, theta, is used to determine the size of the arc and the size of the sector. A full circle has 360 degrees. So theta is usually less than 360 degrees. We can use theta to find out what fraction of the circle is being considered to determine arc length or area of the sector. So using the central angle, we can calculate what fraction of the circle circumference it represents and then multiply by the total circumference 2 pi r. Here's an example. Calculate the length of an arc with a central angle of 60 degrees in a circle with a radius of 5 centimeters. Now that you know how to calculate the arc length, we can calculate the perimeter by adding the arc length to the two radii that forms the sector. Let's look at this example. Determine the perimeter of a sector with a central angle of 90 degrees and a radius of 10 meters. If we want to determine the area of the sector, we need to use the central angle once again. To determine what fraction of the circle is occupied by the sector, then we multiply by the area of the circle pi r squared. Let's try this example. Calculate the area of a sector with a central angle of 100 degrees in a circle with a radius of 4 centimeters. In this lesson, we define the components that make a sector, such as the arc length and central angle. We then learn the formulas to calculate the arc length, perimeter, and area of a sector. Thank you for joining me in this lesson on sectors. In the next lesson, we'll learn a new formula to calculate the area of a triangle and where we would use this new formula. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to join the Google Classroom for the series resources. See you in the next lesson. Bye.